Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show how to activate code Visual Studio 2017 on Windows. First, you go to download Visual Studio 2017. Click download. I choose professional. Click free trial to download and click install. I have installed already in my PC. So I go to Visual Studio 2017 to activate code. I have code. This is code for activation key. This key for Visual Studio 2017 professional key. I go to Hub and click register product. Check for an update license. Not access why. Oh sorry. Click unlock with a product key and copy the code to activation key for Visual Studio 2017. Paste and apply. We have updated your license successfully and click close. I have activated for Visual Studio 2017 for professional. This code activation. This is for Visual Studio 2017 professional key, for enterprise, for Visual Studio Pro key. I will upload this activation key link under the video on description. Thank you everyone.